So we have the simulation of multiverse. We have this. Okay, so to explain this physically, we need to look at quantum mechanics and the concept of quantum superposition. This example, we have the position -1 here, amplitude 0 plus 0.707 I. I here is the imaginary number. The quantum particle at a specific moment in time undergoing a quantum walk is specifically discrete time quantum walk. So here's the physical meaning of the two lines. Uh, in text inside the circle. So we have the physical location here. For this one, position is -1. This tells you the specific location of the particle at this exact moment. So if you imagine a 1D number line representing physical space, the particle is currently sitting 1 unit to the left of where it started. The starting position was 0 here. So crucially, this is not the only place the particle is. Because this is a quantum system, the particle exists in a superposition. It is simultaneously located at the position -1, position 1, and position 2. And other nodes on that same row of the tree. We cannot see it as definitely positive -1. We can only see that it has a probability of being found there if we want to measure it. So we have the amplitude. This amplitude is 0 plus 0.707 I, the quantum amplitude. So the complex number is the mathematical description of the particle quantum state at that location. So it contains two pieces of physical information. So this one, uh, that one probability of finding the particle at position -1 is calculated by squaring the magnitude of this uh, amplitude. So we have 1 plus 0.707 I. So the square of the absolute value of this one is equal to 50%. So physical meaning, so if you were to place a detector at position -1 right at this exact step, there is a 50% chance you would measure the particle there. So the I, or imaginary unit, is the most important physics concept here. The 0.707 I means the amplitude is shifted by 90 degrees phase angle, pi over 2 radian compared to a purely real number. So the physical meaning here is, so in this example, the physical meaning phase is not a physical property you can measure directly, like position or spin, but it is what causes quantum interference. Because this is the specific node shifted by I, a pure imaginary number, if this path later interacts with another path, like its sibling node moving right, the two amplitudes will combine. If they have opposite phases, it will cancel out destructive interference. If they have the same phase, they will add together uh, destructive interference. So not on the amplitude value. So in this simulation, 0.707 is an approximation of 1 over square root of 2. So this specific value is chosen because when you calculate a 50% probability, 1 over square root of 2, square of that is equal to zero point 0.5. So a deeper physical example, how this node enables the multi-universe. So if you look at the final row of your original tree, the bottom nodes, you will see two different nodes that both say position 0. So one of those position position 0 nodes came from a left moving path like the one in your image that turned back right. So basically, this means the particle was in two different places at once, move along two different paths, and arrive at the exact location. So when that happens, the phase I, the node in your image, dictates what happens depending on whether those two paths have match or opposite phases. The particle will either strongly appear at position 0, 100% chance, or disappear completely from position 0, 0% chance. So this is the physical manifestation of Mach Hender interferometer, or the famous double slit experiment moving through the time and space.